Once logged in, users will be directed to the home page. This home page can be divided up into multiple sections. First, there are filtering options. Filtering options such as tags can be used to filter down the primary list of code blocks down to a manageable list and allow users to find what they're looking for faster. When a given tag is clicked, it filters down the list. Multiple tags can be chosen as to filter down the list further and further. Tags can also be unselected, and all of them can be cleared. Languages works in a very similar way, where it simply just filters all of the posts down to the languages that have been selected. Next, we have the snippet section, which allows us to see all of the given code blocks displayed by the web page. Each code block shows an upvote and a downvote option, a title, a language, tags, an author, and a created by date. Users are able to upvote and downvote any given post. Users can also click on a given post to be taken to that snippet's main page. On this page, we can see the title, the posted date, and the author, along with, again, the upvote and downvote. We're able to see the description that was written along with the post, along with all of the code that pertains to the given code block. Next, there are two options presented, a copy button and an edit button. When this edit button is clicked, it takes us to a page where we are able to edit the code and run it ourselves. As you can see, the output is that, but if we want to change it to see how the program will react to new input, we can make edits and rerun it. Back on this page, we're also able to see a comment section and see users, their comments, and the posted by dates. Next, we have the related section. This section shows code snippets that are in some way related to the post that has been selected, either via the language or the title itself. We can click on any of these posts and see that given post, its code block, and make comments on it. Like so. Next, we will look at the user page. On the user page, we're able to see the username and some information about the user's posts and upvotes. We are currently signed into the CodeBase Dev account, so we can see both public and private accounts made known by this lock. If we navigate back to the home page and select another user, such as example user 3, we navigate to their user page, where again we can see the number of posts and upvotes, along with all of their publicly available code snippets. Next, we will look at the Create Snippet option. Here, users are able to create a new code block. They will fill in a title for their code block, select a language, fill out a description, determine whether or not the code block will be public or private. In this case, we'll make it public, and they will insert their code. Next, they will select tags. By clicking the plus icon, it brings up a list of all of the tags on CodeBase. We can select the ones that are relevant to our given post, and we can submit. Now, back on the home page, if we explore a little bit and look at the bottom of the list, we can see the snippet that we just created. We can click on it, view all of the information we just inputted, some snippets that relate to it, along with the code, and we're able to run it. And see the output for the program.